If you're experiencing login errors on DoorDash, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you regain access to your account quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Double-check that you are entering the correct email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password feature to reset it. Step 3. Update the DoorDash app. Make sure you have the latest version of the DoorDash app installed. Go to your device's App Store, search for DoorDash, and update if necessary. Step 4. Clear cache and data. If you're using the app, go to your device settings, find the DoorDash app, and clear its cache and data. This can resolve issues caused by corrupted files. Step 5. Contact DoorDash support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to DoorDash customer support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error message you are receiving. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors on DoorDash. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.